Welcome back, everybody, to the Belly Up Bar. Thank you, new subscriber out there. Thank you all for viewing. Appreciate it very much. Today we're going to make a drink called the KAHALA Cooler from Trader Vic's 1972. So let's get started. I'm going to whip this drink. I've got a couple of ice cubes here in the bottom. Put it in the mixer. Calls for 1 light rum. This is actually aged white, 3-year. Denizen, good brand. And 1 brandy. I'm going to use Napoleon. Brandy, St-Remy. 1 brandy. And 1 pineapple juice. And 3/4 of Ramazzotti Amaro. This is bitter. 3/4. This makes the drink unique. And 1/4 grenadine. This is handcrafted, not Trader Vic's. 1/4. And 1/4 rock candy syrup. This is the old non-sugar cane version, corn syrup. Haven't got the new one yet. And 1/2 lime juice. All right, I'm going to whip this. It's at 22% before I whip it. I've got a coconut cup here ready to receive it. About 30 shakes on the whip, just to get it nice and cold. Aerate it a bit. And a straw. And a coconut, lime half, spent lime half on the top. And a little bit of mint. And there you have it. The KAHALA Cooler, Trader Vic's 1972. I think you'll like this one as well. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.